For today's activity, you will be completing a Quizzizz. There are a few steps that you need to do in order to complete the activity. So if you go to Schoology, you'll see I posted an announcement on the updates page. It's at the top and it's also below where the announcements is for that date. It says you have two steps. Step 1, log into Quizzizz and create an account. Click here for the link. So you're going to go ahead and click that. And when you click that, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Okay. Some of you guys already have accounts on Quizzizz and some of you don't. So I'm going to show you what to do for if you have an account and if you don't have an account. So we set some up earlier in the year. So if you've been with me all year, you probably have an account already. If you do remember setting it up, go ahead and click login. So this would be the first step for everybody to try. Just click login. And at the top, you're going to click login with Google. You'll select your school email and it'll take you to this page. You're going to click accept invite. Okay. For some reason, if it doesn't let you log in and it says you don't have an account, then what you're going to do instead of clicking login with Google, already have an account, you're going to have to click sign up with Google if it's not remembering you. So then you'll click sign up with Google if you don't have an account, and then it'll take you to a screen like this, similar screen. You'll choose your email, and then you'll choose as a student, and then you'll put in your birthday because this is the first time you're making an account for some of you, and then click update, and then again you'll click accept invite. Once you click that, it'll take you to the home page of Quizzizz. You should see your profile name right over here, and you'll see a ton of different things here. Once you've gotten to this page, it's let you into the system, so that means it's time to complete your assignment. How you do that, if you go back to Schoology, there's a second step. It says, step 2, after logging into your Quizzizz account, complete the classwork by clicking here. So if you click there, there's a new link and it's going to take you to the day's classwork, okay? Make sure your name stays how it is. That way I know who to give credit to. It should just be your first name and just your last name. You'll click Start Game, and you'll work your way through the questions in order to get your points. Okay? So you'll just go through and answer the questions, read them carefully. If you get it right, then it'll keep going. If you get it wrong, then let's see. Then it'll show you that it's wrong and so on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. So you can see that it shows me here, as soon as I paused it in this corner, it shows me that I still have 28 questions remaining. So make sure you finish the entire game so that you can get your points. How it's going to look for me. If you need to go back and finish it, you click resume game. If not, you can do save and exit, but I recommend just finishing it at once so you don't forget. How it looks for me as a teacher. I can see who did what on this screen. All your names pop up, and I can see who started it and who hasn't. As of now, no one has started it because it's a new assignment. But based on this, I'll be able to see who to give credit to and who's completed the entire activity. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.